name is David William, and I am the owner of Do Mender. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to fix greenware with my product. We have a piece of broken greenware that I'm going to mend. My recommendation is to use Do Mender helper as a wetting agent. And we'll put some of that helper on the broken areas. And then we'll get into my Do Mender and put some of my Do Mender on that broken edges and put your pieces together. Yeah, it was about a second and a half. And then we'll build up over that broken spot with my mender and let it dry. I have here a piece of greenware that I've mended that's ready to be cleaned. And I have here a piece of greenware that I've mended and have cleaned it, and it's ready to be finished however you wish, either under glaze or fired to use your whatever product you wish on it. And over here, I have a tile that I have just repaired with my mender. That's 13 ounces of product hanging from that tile. So my question for you, is your mender this strong? Thank you.